Let's dive right in. Today we're taking on the most talked about topic in our sector. And honestly, we just need to call out the elephant in the room right away. Artificial intelligence in the chemical industry is heavily exaggerated. I mean, literally every company mentions it in their slide decks, but who's actually doing it?
So we really got to ask ourselves, is AI in chemicals just pure hype? Like, is this technology actually changing how we manage chemical workflows, or is it just taking up space in some glossy investor presentation?
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
Well, that's exactly what we're going to strip away in today's explainer, getting straight to the verified facts. Here's our BS-free roadmap for today. We're covering 1. AI hype versus reality. 2. Meet the AI leaders. 3. Real-world chemical AI. 4. The AI adoption playbook. And 5. Upskilling your chemical workforce.
Section 1. AI hype versus reality.
Now, our rigorous, evidence-based methodology today comes straight from the OnlyTRAININGS 2026 report. We are strictly focusing on publicly verified workflow AI. We're talking official reports, technology partner case studies, and actual measurable deployment. On the flip side, we have explicitly excluded the fluff, unverified yield improvements, broad corporate AI buzzwords, or assumed savings. If the data isn't verified and directly connected to chemical or materials R&D, operations or formulations, it didn't make the cut. We are setting a premium, totally no-nonsense standard here.
Section 2. Meet the AI leaders.
So who actually survived that super rigorous vetting process? Well, consider this top 10 ranking the ultimate social proof of AI maturity in the industry right now. At number 1, we've got BASF, leading with incredibly strong evidence in R&D knowledge systems and formulation tools. They're followed by Covestro at number 2, really dominating with AI in production and autonomous lines. Sabec takes 3rd, Dow is 4th, and Syensqo rounds out the top 5. Moving down the list, we've got LG Chem, Evonik, Arkema, Mitsubishi Chemical Group, and finally DuPont. These giants aren't just talking about digital transformation, they're actually deploying it at scale.
Section 3. Real-world chemical AI.
But, names on a list only tell part of the story. Let's look at the actual metrics, starting with a massive one, 490 plus. That number represents the sheer scale of Sabec's deployed AI-powered digital manufacturing models, and we're not talking about one cute pilot project running in a silo. Sabec has scaled this across their entire manufacturing footprint, making sure their AI deployment is fully backed by hardcore governance, cybersecurity, and safety protocols. And Dow follows that up with a metric that is just staggering, a 200,000 times acceleration. By using their predictive intelligence platform, which they built with Microsoft, by the way, Dow successfully shrank the discovery phase for polyurethane formulations from an agonizing 2 to 3 months down to just 30 seconds. I mean, if you work in specialty formulation, you know that is a complete paradigm shift. AI here isn't writing the perfect formula all on its own. It's rapidly narrowing the candidate space, so technical teams stop wasting time on dead-end experiments.
The absolutely crucial difference to understand here is generic chatbots versus narrow chemical AI assistants. Look, if your company is just using AI to summarize emails or draft up generic memos, you are totally missing the revolution. To be truly valuable, AI has to touch real chemical work. It has to be built around your proprietary data, your formulations, your specific process conditions, even your failed lab experiments.
In practice, these narrow applications are highly focused. For example, BASF's QNose platform lets their global R&D community search over 400 million internal documents and patents using just natural language. Evonik built Cotino, which is an AI-driven platform acting as a digital formulation network for coating additives. DuPont's AI-Ready Labs initiative is all about standardizing and structuring complex experimental data, because they know AI is basically useless without good data infrastructure. And Covestro? They have an entire production line in Dormagen running fully autonomously. They are all applying narrow AI to their proprietary data to solve incredibly specific pain points.
Section 4. The AI adoption playbook. So what should your company be doing right this second to catch up? Well, the OnlyTRAININGS report lays out an exact, actionable 12-month roadmap designed specifically for mid-sized chemical companies to finally get off the sidelines. Step 1. In your first 90 days, don't start with the shiny technology. Start with the pain. Pick just 2 narrow use cases, like batch deviation review or formulation troubleshooting. Step 2. Months 4 through 6, you absolutely must structure your technical data. Get your historical lab data, batch records, and regulatory notes organized. Step 3. Months 7 to 9, you build controlled AI workflows. Don't let AI make the final technical decisions. Use it to retrieve, flag, and suggest, always keeping a human in the loop. And step 4, months 10 to 12, measure the real impact. Did you reduce trial cycles? Did complaint closure times improve? Because that is how you prove real ROI.
Section 5. Upskilling your chemical workforce.
Executing that playbook brings us to a really fundamental reality. The AI race is organizational. It's not just technical. The report hits the nail on the head here. It says, AI will not replace chemical expertise, but it will reward companies that organize their expertise, structure their data, train their people, and apply AI to real industrial problems. Let me put that into perspective even more simply. AI is not going to replace the chemist, but the chemist who uses AI will absolutely replace the one who doesn't.
To survive and thrive, the modern AI-ready chemical professional has to develop a specific set of non-negotiable skills, and they need to do it immediately. We're talking about mastering technical data structuring, formulation data interpretation, and AI-assisted troubleshooting. They also need to understand prompt design that's specifically tailored for scientific workflows. And honestly, perhaps most importantly, they need a really deep understanding of AI governance and confidentiality, because you definitely don't want anyone leaking your proprietary formulations into public AI models, right? Now, if you're looking at that skills gap right now and wondering how on earth to bridge it, here is the definitive solution for your team. You need to head over to OnlyTRAININGS.com. For over a decade now, they've been the most trusted platform for the chemical sector, offering expert-led, live, and self-paced training specifically focused on AI and chemical processing, sustainability, and Industry 4.0. Look, you just cannot rely on generic data science courses when you're dealing with complex chemistry. You need custom team upskilling led by experts who actually have real R&D and plant experience. So go to OnlyTRAININGS.com to make sure your entire team is trained, capable, and ready to leverage AI effectively and safely. And with that, I want to leave you with this provocative final question today. Are you actively organizing your company's expertise for the AI era? Or are you still relying on individual memory and scattered, disconnected spreadsheets? The companies that are going to win tomorrow are the ones structuring their data today. Take action, get your team the right training, and start building that AI foundation.